In today's video, I will show you how to make this delicious light bitter leaf soup without including water leaf. Let's go straight into it. As always, I will start off by washing and cleaning my protein properly, introduce it into the pot, introduce onions, pepper, seasoning. I will stir properly to combine at this point, stir very well. Then I'll cover this without including salt to cook because this part of beef is somehow difficult to cook. You have to give it a whole lot of time to cook properly. Here it has cooked. When I opened up, I will stir properly to combine. I'll then introduce stockfish. You can use the body of stockfish or any part of stockfish you have available for this particular soup. I'll introduce water to cook the meat until it's 70% done. I'll also introduce a bit of salt at this point. This is also the right time to introduce your dry fish, especially if you're cooking with a hard dry fish. This is the right time to include it into the pot so it cooks through with other protein. So here I'm stirring properly to make sure that the stockfish is properly cooked. I'll then introduce a bit of crayfish to tie down the taste of this protein. You know, if you've been following this channel, that I will always do this because it enhances the taste of your protein. Just try it and let me know how you feel and what the outcome was with that technique. That's it.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
When the meat was ready, I removed it and set it aside. Into the same pot, I introduced palm oil, introduced a bit of crayfish to bring the taste of the soup to life. I then introduce the thickener. The thickener for the day is achi. You can also use ofo for the soup. Then I will stir properly to combine, fry it into the soup. What this would do for the soup is that it will not allow the achi to be fluffy thick. I don't know, I've said this oftentimes. You can try this technique, it works. You will love the outcome of the soup. Then I will reintroduce the protein, introduce more water to cook the soup properly. I will also introduce my dry fish at this point because it is not a very difficult fish. So before the soup would thicken up, the fish will be ready. I will also be introducing more fish later on. That one is a mackerel fish and it's not difficult. So here I'll introduce more crayfish, okay? And then I will stir properly to combine. Look at the thickness of the soup. This consistency is what I will be going for. Stirring, I introduce more mackerel fish, introduce seasoning, then I will stir properly to combine. At this point, the thickness is going overboard. I loosen it up a bit with a little water, and then I will stir properly to combine. Cover this and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. And when I open up, I'm going to introduce the vegetable, and the vegetable for the day is bitter leaf. You can also decide to use uziza leaf for the soup, but because we are making bitter leaf soup, we're using bitter leaf for the soup. Introduce the bitter leaf sparingly, not too much, okay? Don't allow the bitter leaf to overpower the soup. Now allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and the soup will be ready. If you're new here or you're seeing this channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your presence here. And please, if you love what we do and you want to be part of this family, kindly subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you. This is the outcome of the soup. The soup tasted very nice and it looks very delicious. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching till I see you in my next video. To have a pleasant day. Bye bye.